guys, Tanya here. Welcome to the channel. And in today's video I want to share with you an Easter basket for someone that's into basketball. They may be a tween, someone that's just starting out in basketball and you want to encourage them. So what I have here, I have this basketball basket, You can just, if you're having a little party, you can just have this around and people can just play a game, or you can also use it as a gift basket. We're going to need some tissue paper. We're going to also need like some tissue paper to stuff and to add some stability to our basket. We're going to need some paper shred. I got some candy, some chocolate eggs here, and I got one of these basketball eggs, and it's stuffed. I already sealed it. It has a lot of stuff in it, a lot of candy and some snacks in here. I think it even has some turtles. Now this recipient, they kind of like snacks, but you know, since they're in training, you know, they're not like eating unhealthy foods all the time, but you know, this is going to be a treat for them. So they like cookies, like popcorn, so I got a box of cookies, their favorite cookies, not mine, and some fiddle faddle, and they're still a kid, but you know, trying to just, you know, have a little something to say, I'm thinking about you. Got some thin mints here, got some dots. We got the chocolate bunny, and we have a little, these are nice basketballs here. So you can't, if you see these, you know, you don't see these all the time. So just get one of those, and we're going to tie it up in a bow, and we have some cello wrap. Okay, I went on and just taped it together the way I wanted it to be. And I recommend that to, you know, do a trial run, see how you want to place things, and then just go on and do that. Okay, now to prep our basket, since it does have holes in it, that's not a problem. We can still use it. Just put some shred on top of there, and then this is a bunch of tissue paper. You can use wrapping paper, you can use like mailing paper, just whatever you have. Stick it in. If you're selling these, you know, use some more professional type of paper. And we're going to build this all the way up. To keep that paper out. Okay, so this is how it's going to look on the inside. Okay. Okay, so we're going to have the handle up. We're going to and I'm going to put some shred in here. I'm going to put all of this shred in here. This gives it good stability, good cushion. Okay, that's how I'm doing it. So I'm going to pull the handle up. Do it like this. And I just want to give you some inspiration, some ideas on how you can use these items. You know, you say, oh, that looks cute, but what do I do with it? It's really whatever you want to do with it. That's okay. So we're going to place that there. Make sure everything's secure. You can use glue dots to glue. Most of the time I use glue dots to glue each item together. Okay, so then I'm going to take this and tape this to the basket. Tape your items to the basket. That's what I'm doing here, just taking some transparent tape, taping it to the basket. Very secure. Okay. Alright, I'm going to tape it all to the basket. It's good. Then I'm just going to take this, take our little basketball egg, place it there. It has a flat bottom, so I think I like it like that. Okay, so I'm just going to hide all of that paper. Okay, so we're going to do it. I'm going to do it like that.